What's that old saying? May you live in interesting times? Well, right now, we're experiencing the greatest change in personal transportation since the automobile was invented. From plug-in electric hybrid vehicles like this Honda Clarity to full electric vehicles, hydrogen vehicles, and maybe one day fully autonomous vehicles. But what's coming down the road? Well, sometimes you have to look back in order to see the future.
It all started with a dream. Honda's founder envisioned creating personal mobility for everyone and always dreamt of a positive future with blue skies. This dream became a mission of creating blue skies for our children. This philosophy has manifested itself across Honda's businesses, with a history of sustainable practices that continue to evolve today across manufacturing and products that Honda brings to market. This mindset started with a young Honda engineering team in the 1960s, but many Canadians came to know Honda's innovations through the introduction of the Honda Civic. This car wasn't just great on gas and fun to drive, it also showcased Honda's innovation called CVCC, or Compound Vortex Controlled Combustion. The CVCC engine was the first to exceed the stringent US EPA emission standards, all without the need for a catalytic converter. Honda continued to innovate with the very first hybrid vehicle, the Insight. Then came the world's first four-stroke marine engine. With the introduction of technologies like variable valve timing and lift electronically controlled, also known as VTEC technology, that's at the heart of many Honda engines. There's also variable cylinder management in V6 engines, intelligent multi-mode drive that propels a Accord hybrid, and also downsized turbo engines that reside in vehicles like the CR-V. Honda is able to offer more power with less fuel consumption. But that's the history. What's next? Well, there are some short-term goals and long-term projects that could really impact our environment, and more importantly, the environment of our children. This is part of the mission to create blue skies for our children. Honda has a target of reducing by 2020 its global CO2 emissions by 30% compared to 2000 levels, and to cut total corporate CO2 emissions in half by 2050. To see near-term goals, all you need to do is look at recent Honda concept vehicles introduced at major auto shows. The first is the urban EV concept shown in Frankfurt. Remember the original Civic? Well, this design is a tip of the hat to that design with a futuristic twist, and it's fully electric. This concept might be the perfect solution for urban drivers. Honda Motors president and CEO even said, "This is not some vision of a distant future." Another recent concept was the Urban Sport EV shown in Tokyo, also a small urban electric car, but this time with a sporty two-door layout. By vastly improving the efficiency of today's conventional gasoline engines and by introducing new vehicles like this Clarity plug-in hybrid and other technologies, Honda is set to hit that 30% reduction by 2020. But how are they going to hit that reduction target of 50%? The same thing applies here. You need to look back in order to see the future. Honda introduced the FCX Clarity hydrogen car way back in 2006 and has been leasing hydrogen fuel cell vehicles to selected customers ever since. By committing to this technology, Honda is pursuing development of a mass-produced hydrogen fuel cell system. This, along with refined manufacturing processes and reducing waste, will help achieve this target. So even though we all got to know Honda through this breakthrough car, the continual commitment to engineering a cleaner future is a cornerstone of the brand and will continue for generations to come.